Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, it means you want to grow your YouTube audience fast. Today, I'm going to give you 7 proven strategies to increase your subscribers quickly. So grab your notepad because this is going to be packed with actionable tips. The first and most important thing you need to know is this. Hook your audience in the first 15 seconds. That's right, you've got just 15 seconds to convince viewers that your video is worth watching. Start with a question, a bold statement, or tease what's coming up. The goal is to spark curiosity and get people excited to watch your entire video. Number 2, post consistently. But it's not just about quantity, it's also about quality and sticking to your niche. People subscribe when they know what kind of content to expect. Pick a niche you're passionate about, whether it's tech, gaming, beauty, or fitness. Then stick to a schedule, whether it's once a week or twice a month, so your viewers know when to expect new videos. Next up, thumbnails and titles. These are the first things people see, so make them count. Your title should be clear and clickable, and your thumbnail needs to stand out. Thumbnails with bright colors, clear images, and bold text tend to perform better. Your title should create curiosity or promise a solution, but avoid clickbait. If your title doesn't match your content, people won't stick around. Don't forget to ask people to subscribe. It may sound simple, but a lot of creators forget to do this. A quick "if you're enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button" can make all the difference. You can get creative with your call to action by adding animations or using on-screen graphics that remind viewers to subscribe without being too pushy. One of the most underused features on YouTube is playlists. Group related videos together in a playlist and guide viewers from one video to the next. Creating a series or playlist keeps viewers engaged with your content for longer, which helps your watch time and increases the likelihood they'll subscribe because they're invested in your channel. Collaboration is key. Partner with other creators in your niche. Not only does it help you reach a new audience, but viewers who already trust the other creator are more likely to subscribe to you. Whether it's a shout-out, a joint video, or a podcast-style conversation, collaborations help both creators grow their subscriber base. Finally, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create polls or community posts. When viewers feel connected to you, they're more likely to stick around and hit that subscribe button. Your subscribers are your community. Make them feel valued, and they'll not only subscribe, but they'll also share your content with others. And there you have it. 7 proven ways to grow your YouTube subscribers fast. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key, so keep creating content you love and the subscribers will follow. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and good luck with your YouTube journey.